What's up guys, Express here back with another video. Now this video is the anticipated 5 minutes versus 30 minutes versus an hour challenge. But before this video starts, I just have to say, this whole video I recorded perfectly, but my mic didn't record anything. So if the sound is a bit weird, a bit bad, that's because my webcam recorded everything, and yeah, it's not that good, you know. I still hope you enjoyed this video. There you go, you can see it, 5 minutes, got 5 minutes on the timer. The theme is High School DxD. Focus for this header will be the logo or like the text. Start, I got a couple of fonts installed, and yeah, my mood board is on the left so I can see what inspiration that I can go for. And go! So you also see the timer, what we have. Okay, I'm going to do this quick. We're just going to do text very quickly. We're going to unlock that layer, make a new layer. We're going to type in, of course, the name of the header with just width. Okay, we're going to change the font to something more cute because I think High School DxD could have a cute feeling to it. Pumpkin, I think this is kind of cute as well. Maybe this is cute. I just want to see how they will look with, of course, width on top of it, and we then can blend them maybe in each other. We got Ruma. This one, I'm going to stick with this one. I think that one will be really nice. I'm going to keep that one because I think I'll need the heart will be a nice touch to it. So I'm going to make it something like that. Gonna put that in the middle, of course. So rasterize type. There you go. Select that with the lasso tool, of course. Right click, layer via cut. There you go. We have that, and then of course we're going to duplicate that. Yes, we're going to duplicate that. I'm going to rasterize type. I'm going to make sure the other one is not visible, and we can just cut out this little one as well. There you go. We're going to layer via cut. We're going to move that, and we're going to put the heart on top of that. Yes, that's better. And we can still play with that heart, with that same heart, you know. So we're going to align the layer, of course, but maybe reverse it. Maybe reverse is a bit better. We have only 1 minute and a half remaining. We remove alignment layer. Damn. That's not really the vibe that I was going for. I wanted to make it 3D as well, but we can't really with the time. So we're going to just quickly remove the gradient color overlay with the same color, of course. We're going to move that with the arrow keys to the right. There you go, with kind of cute, not gonna lie. And we have a couple of renders already downloaded, so I'm going to give the random one. This is not really the vibe that I was going for. Oh, this is also not the one that I was. Where is it? Where is the one? I don't know. No, that's not the one. Oh, that's not the one as well. This is really bad quality. That's why. Come on, man. Oh my god, I am struggling big time. There you go. That's it. Okay, so that is what I have in 5 minutes. That's not a lot, not gonna lie. That's nothing. That's not even completed done. Text already takes so much time, and then I'm not happy with the colors, but I mean it is something. I don't know. So to put more time into this header. So we'll see how it will look in 30 minutes. I'm going to change a lot in 30 minutes, I think, and then in an hour we'll just, you know, have a completely finished product. Minutes start now. So we're just going to place that right here. I'm going to focus more on the text because I don't like how it has been looking. So I want the colors of Gun Gale. Yes, I do have that, but it looks a bit flat, not gonna lie. So the stroke is a different color that I just noticed. It's like a more something like that, yeah, like in the shadow. We're gonna take white, and then we're going to have like something like that. I think that looks hella cute, not gonna lie. I'm going to have a stroke on the inside as well, I think, like just a small one with a color, like maybe a vibrant pink or something like that. It's not really a vibrant pink, that's more like a flat pink. 26 minutes left. Yeah, I wanted that hard. So we're going to type width again. So I just need the eye. That's really it. Yeah, that's really it. Yeah, the eye again. Then I want to have cute font. That is that. Yes. So we're going to rasterize that again, and we're just gonna cut out the heart again, like so. Duplicate that, make it smaller. Going to place another one. Yeah, like so, and then duplicate that, and in the shadow as well, but this time white again. Why is this one scuffed? I don't know. It is hella scuffed. Give it a little stroke as well. Which color? We take white, I guess. There's some stars that I want to use. So is that cheating? Nah, that's cheating. It's my own pack. It's my own pack. I can do whatever I want. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. I'm just gonna add a little like stars. I think that will fit really nicely. Like so. I'm gonna add another one, maybe a smaller one, like here. I'm gonna add another one, smaller one, like there. And then I want, yeah, maybe just the full-fledged one in the back, something like this. I don't know if that will fit the whole theme though. Yeah, we can fill that in with like a pink color again. That kind of fits. I kind of like that. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I kind of like where this is going. Now so this is just my text. So we're going to select everything, going to put it in a little map, and just call this text, just for now. So we just have the text. Now we're going to add the characters. I have a couple of them. I don't know if they're really good renders. Like this one is kind of cute, not gonna lie. And this one as well, where she's just laying on the ground, could fit really well in the background. I'm just positioning them now to see how it will look. I don't like this kind of art style of that guy. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. That's not gonna lie. In the shadow, yes, maybe less distance. Give the same stroke on the outside. Going to definitely add a gradient on top of that, or maybe a color layer on top of her with the same color. That blue, that yellow. I'm struggling, big boys. Colors. This big brain. We have to do shapes. I think there's no other option than shapes. Yes. We need a couple more renders, but I'm going to do that in if I have an hour. Yeah. Yeah, yes, okay, yes, we got 30 minutes and that's what we have. I'm kind of happy with the results, not gonna lie. This is fine. This is cool. I mean, yeah, this is my kind of style, this is my kind of feeling. Yeah, okay, so now we have 1 hour to finish off the project. The hour starts in 3, 2, 1, yeet. Let's go. So now I can take my goddamn time and add a little bit more of that oomph to it, you know? If we have another character that's laying on the ground, I don't think that would fit it. Not gonna lie, it looks hella cute. Yes. Go to basics, add a bit of contrast, add a bit of exposure, a bit of highlights, of course. Just a tad, filter, camera raw filter. So this is the end result. I think it looks really nice, not gonna lie. Love the colors, love the positioning as well. If I had more time, would I do things different? Yes, for sure, 100%. But I like the way it turned out. So yeah, I love to do this again, but maybe not with a header, with something else. If you have any other ideas for challenges, let me know down in the comments or in my Discord. Discord contest is still going on, so if you want to have a chance to win Discord Nitro, go check out my server. There is a contest going on there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.